Alright, today I'm going to demonstrate how to change the broken key hammers on Roland products. Specifically today I have the digital piano, the HP 236. What I mean by the broken key hammers is, as you can see here, the keys are a little lower. Hear that sound? That dead. So what I think specifically is this one's broken and the piece is falling down underneath these two. This job isn't too complicated. Basically removing some screws from the bottom and from the back. You remove the top and you have a big empty box with two little speakers in it. Let's get started. Alright, well I didn't go through how to take it, open it up and take it apart because each model will be a little different, but basically once you get it opened up, just remove the screws, the back and the sides. You can see there's not a whole lot going on in there. But for this model in particular, there'll be a panel. You have to remove the two insides on the sides. And there's this top control panel. Just be really careful because here's going to be your wires and everything. Sorry, I can't zoom out. Just flip that up, over. And that'll give you access to your keys, which will be marked which key they are. So then you find your broken key, or the ones giving you the issue. You should be able to remove those out. So I'll go over how to do all that in just a second. Okay, so I trying to do this where you can see what I'm doing. I can't hold the camera and do this because it requires two hands. But at the top of the key right here, you have to spread it open. I found it works pretty easy. If you can get a nice fat screwdriver. You don't want to break it, but you want to spread it apart just enough. Some people use their fingers. I like the screwdriver. Spread it apart just enough where it'll pop off there, just like that. Now we've exposed the broken hammer. Voila. There we go, into focus. I'll show you the two pieces in just a second. So now you see the two pieces, and this is where they always tend to break, is right here where the little metal piece is. Metal's stronger than plastic. Okay, make sure you grease up all contact points pretty good. Again, sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Slide her back in there. Set her in. You're good to go. Pop your keys back in, the opposite when you took them off. I'm sorry for the bad camera work. That's it. Check all of our keys. Good piano feel. Put it back together and we're good to go. Once again, if there's any confusion, the keys should be labeled so you know which key goes where. Another side note, every time I fix one of these, it's always the black key hammers. Always. It's never been the white ones. I don't know why. My lovely assistant will demonstrate if the keys work or not. Yay, success!